Hello, Stephanie here. I can't tell you how much I enjoy reading your writing. It's specific, it's sophisticated. You just write amazing sentences. I love your vocabulary. I love your transition words. Now let's go over some of the sentences that you wrote for this word analysis in Unit 1. Look at your first sentence using the word apprenticeship. Remember that apprenticeship is a noun, and so okay, so let's take a look at sentence 1. According to the labor law in Vietnam, all companies must pay 70 to 80% of. Now notice the word salary. It is a singular noun, and so we need an indefinite article. And because the word official, which is an adjective, begins with the letter O, we need an official salary, because before vowels we use an official salary to their employees who are under apprenticeships. Now, the reason why we need to make this plural is because the word employees is plural, and they're both nouns, and we need to match them up. Let's look at the second sentence. Apprenticeships helps laborers feel more confident before they work independently. You had the word labor, and when you want to talk about the people who feel confident, you need to add laborers. So now let's go down to this to the next word that you analyzed, and it was cost. So remember that in the article, the word cost was used as a noun, and so I was hoping to sort of introduce that idea to you. However, your sentences are completely correct. The one thing I wanted to do was change doesn't to don't, because it's plural classes. Classes don't cost. Okay, and then let's go down to our next example, which was complex. Remember that every time you use a singular noun in English, you need an indefinite article. So in example number 1, normally the bigger, before you had just the word company, and I included the word the. Especially when you make the comparisons, you want to include the. Normally, the bigger the company is, the more complex the management system is. System is a singular noun, so it requires an indefinite article. And then the next sentence, in order to resolve a complex problem, break it down rather than break down it. This has to do, it's a phrasal verb, and it has to do with transitive and intransitive verbs, which we will be working on in Unit 2. Again, I want to tell you how much I appreciate your complex sentences, and thank you for submitting your assignment.